I just thought I'll show you what we've done today. Put front on, windows. That's going to be boarded up. Built a little table in there for kettle and stuff. We got this way. More boarded up. We've patched the hole in the back that someone ripped. So that's all patched up. All that's going to be clear. Obviously from a water drum. And all this area here. There's going to be a seating area. We're going to sort out tomorrow. But the parlour was gone down a bit more. And we put the roof on as well. So yeah, thanks for watching. Much appreciated. Got bits and bobs going now. Go this way. Sweet corn, beetroot. Said they need watering, don't they? I've been given a load of strawberry plants going tomorrow. That's what the pan suggested, one of the beans.